Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important question of reasoning section, analogy part. Here, first question is immense, tiny, generous, question mark. So, what is the relation between the first two, immense and tiny? So, immense is the antonym of tiny. That is, tiny is the opposite word of immense. So, by same logic, generous is antonym of mean. So, mean is the opposite word of generous. Here given option B, mean. So, our correct answer is option B. Our next question is avarice, warm, tranquil, question mark. What is the relation between the first two words, avarice and warm? So, avarice is synonym of warm. That is, warm is similar to avarice. By same logic, tranquil is the synonym of white. So white is the similar word of tranquil. So our correct answer is white. Here given option A, white. Our next question is tonsil height, stenotarian, question mark. So what is the relation between the first two, tonsil and height? See here, tonsil is similar to height. That is, height is the synonym of tonsil. So by same logic, stentorian is similar to noisy. So noisy is the similar word of stentorian. So noisy is our correct answer. Here given option B, noisy. Our next question is serious, trivial, knowledge, question mark. So what is the relation between serious and trivial? Serious is the antonym of trivial. What? Trivial is the opposite of serious. So what is the opposite word of knowledge? The opposite word of knowledge is ignorance. So our correct answer is option A, ignorance. They are given option A, ignorance. Our next question is Helen, Satan, Juliet, question mark. So in the first group, given that Helen and Satan, we know that Helen is a moon of Saturn. So Juliet is whose moon? So see here, Juliet is the name of moon of Uranus. Juliet is a moon of